Good morning, everyone. Today, December 29, we got a few more days. It's going to be New Year's 2023 is coming. So finally, Tesla is going up for today. But anyway, from now to the weekend, it's come back, drop back again because this is. I'm not saying that's I'm not saying that's the fake news. That's a lot of news out there. You guys read is really really good news. But in order to make those become true, you know, have to make this one, build another place, another project, It takes like at least like 6 months to a years, to build a place, It's not like you're going to build a chicken coop, build a company like million square feet, few 100,000 square feet, just not like 2 or 5,000 square feet or 100,000 square feet, something like that, build a factory. It's not, you just not make it in like 1 day or 1 month, even though a year is still impossible. But with construction company, when you pull like 3 or 5 company together, and that's become possible. That's what I mean, like a lot of the news out there when you read today, like Bitcoin is really bad for this year and Dogecoin become a winner, something like that. That's right. That's rating, analyzing. But when you see all the cap from the Bitcoin and the Dogecoin and SIBA, something like that, that's still drop like 40%, 50%, more than 60%, depending on what the crypto out there. And with this morning, when we see on here Dow Jones like at of like 180 some points, and compared with last night, it just go off like 50 some points and be possible because the inflation number is still pretty high, and nothing much changed yet, and we have to wait for the new team. The new elephant team is fire the leader, because right now, as you know, McCarthy he's not the leader yet. He's not enough voting, so have to wait, till he have to sign or the contract with the team. That's what they say. It was easy to understand. And we can see on the general in Europe and Germany, Canada, Asia, and there's a little swing around because the economy is not big change yet in a week. It's pretty hard to say, but it's Tesla. We see this morning is like 4% gained, and right now it's 6% gained. But by the way, if something is the analyzing, it's going to be changed, and in a second it's going to be dropped like 5% easily. And especially the Tesla cap yesterday is 350 some, and this morning is like 401. So, but the analyzing in overlay is sell and consider like over like dot red already, and indicator like properly neutral, and all the candlestick is going to be light greens. So if 3 of them is all in the green side, even though light green or dark green, we still consider this one suit buy. But right now it's not, because like a lot of investor in Tesla, even though the shareholder been withdraw a lot of shares out there, and one more thing I want to say. The CEO Elon Musk just say the employees do not get affected that much by the stock number, because that one's like nothing. Honestly, this sentence is, like try to help for the whole background. He trying till he sees something is going on and it's a big problem already. Of course, the cap is over like $1 trillion, and right now it dropped to like just over 300, and right now he's to 400. That's mean over like 60%, whatever the cap before. The Tesla was over $300 share, and right now just like 110, 120. That's mean, yeah, he have to worry about. He try to help his own company out of this situation right now, and we can see all the stock gain, the percents gain, and the percents lose. Those things you can watch my yourself a little bit. And in Tesla, Neo is down 72%. In decade. What is decay? Decay just means many layers of numbers. That means those system, the signals, this is called decayed. Is it the right opportunity right now to buy? It's not yet. Just wait. Because still something's going on. Because by the legal situation, those pacifist things cannot say it. But still something going on, and the analyzing power back a little bit, but they're still on the table. That means they're still on the way going down. Because what? Because the overlays number. The overlay is supposed to be green. But when you see overlay is red, and it's not right. And we can see very quick here go add up a little bit. Natural gas loss, crude oil dropped down 65 cents. And that's on Nasdaq and S&P 500 gain up a little bit. And food price went down because after Christmas, it kind of slowed down in the food market. Not many people go and focus them, or getting crazy, get together, spend a lot of time, with family. They've been to in Christmas. It's not anymore. I mean, New Year coming, but New Year didn't have that much day off like Christmas though. And here we see the ETFs is wonder why, QQQ, and it's been gone. But right now we get the cheap one in here, like IEFA, $61. And the option we're going to take Amazon's call, Apple's call, Lucid's call, do all the call, but move them to March, or at least June. Yeah, April, May, or June. That's be more successful. Otherwise, it's really pretty hard to sell. But you lose all. Especially Apple is 127 call on January 20. You can move them to March 17, and it's around $5 or $6. Not that crazy, but it's still safe and possible, and more, more secure. Because still Apple is still $1 trillion company. Apple right now is the most strongest one, but their product is honestly, they make your phone slowly, like everyone know that. They get a lot of people been suing Apple those kind of situation I want to involve on, and that's not really